Hello, dear English learners. Welcome to today's episode of your English listening and speaking practice. Today is something special, your shadowing practice challenge. This is your chance to speak out loud, gain confidence, and improve your English step by step. How was your day? Did anything make you smile? Did you learn something new in the last session? If yes, amazing. I'm proud of you. If not, no worries. You're here now, and that's what counts. Let's be honest for a second. Just listening to English is not enough. If you want to speak better, you need to speak, and speak. But starting can feel intimidating or confusing. That's where shadowing comes in. Today we'll practice 30 simple sentences. I will say each sentence slowly and clearly in a British accent. There will be a pause. That's your time to repeat after me. Follow the subtitles, watch for highlighted words, and speak out loud. Even if it feels awkward, keep going. This practice is perfect if you're in the early stages of learning English. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see progress. Are you ready? Let's warm up those English muscles and speak together. Your first shadowing challenge. Before we start, promise me this. You won't give up today, tomorrow, or on this challenge. Can you do that? Fantastic. Here's how it works. I say a sentence. You listen. You repeat after me. Pause and repeat if you need to. Follow the subtitles and highlighted words. Simple, right? Let's begin. First, I am learning English. Second, I am not afraid to make mistakes. Third, I understand more every day. Fourth, I feel proud of my progress. Fifth, I enjoy learning English. Sixth, I listen carefully. Seventh, I speak slowly and clearly. Eighth, I try every day. 9, I believe in myself. 10, I trust my journey even if it's slow. Great. That's the first 10 sentences. Let's move to slightly longer ones. Longer sentences. 21. Every day, I am becoming more confident in English. 22. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. 23. I am proud of my progress, even if it's small. 24. English is not hard. It's just new. 25. I learn something new every time I try. 26. I am building strong English habits today. 27. My English improves with every word I speak. 28. Even small practice makes a big difference. 29. I am patient with myself and my progress. 30. This is just the beginning of my English success. Congratulations! You've completed 30 sentences in today's shadowing challenge. Remember, perfection isn't the goal. Showing up and speaking is what matters.